And now, your First Alert 5 weather.
And welcome back, everyone. Definitely a change in the weather pattern from yesterday when we saw sunshine and 60s and 70s. Today, much cooler with some snow up in the high country. Parts of Teller County seeing the flakes flying this afternoon. This photo sent in by Bonnie Sumner. She said it is beginning to slow down just a bit, but there is a chance as that moisture moves back up to the north, we could see more snow showers develop a little bit later this evening. For now, most of the banded precip really forming right along and south of the Arkansas River Valley. Some heavier rain coming out of the wets and sangres in these areas under winter weather advisories until 9 a.m. tomorrow. And that is where we expect the most snow to collect on the ground. You can see in these areas around a trace to 2 inches for Rye, not expecting anything to accumulate from Pueblo down to the Raton Mesa. 2 to 4 possible Westcliff, 3 to 6 Levita, maybe a trace on the northern and western sides of town in the Springs, and 1 to 3 possible up towards Woodland Park. So here's the very latest on those winter weather advisories for the wets. We could accumulate up to 7 inches of snow by tomorrow morning. And for the northern sangres, anywhere between an additional 5 to 12 inches on top of what has already fallen out there. Now for Cripple Creek, we have seen some of those on again, off again snow showers in town throughout the day today. You can see some light snowflakes flying here on Bennett Avenue. Right now in the Springs, we are dry, and even though we're 51 here at the airport on the east side of town, our Rockerman studio is right now at 44 degrees. So cooler up to the north and cooler for areas west of the interstate. For Pueblo currently, we have some rain moving through the Riverwalk. Outside temperature at 58 degrees. Cold front moved through the state earlier today. Behind it, we're getting that upslope flow, the moisture developing, and that's expected to keep us pretty soggy through very early tomorrow morning. Now, I think by daybreak Monday, most of that rain and snow is gone from the Pikes Peak region and Pueblo. We'll see an increase in the westerly winds tomorrow evening, but with drier skies developing, highs are going to jump up around 5 to 10 degrees. So that wintry mix of weather things on for about 12 to 18 more hours. Then we have this low that's going to move to our north, and this is going to be the fuel, the catalyst for some very strong winds in your forecast and some high fire danger beginning Monday night to Tuesday. That fire danger near critical levels Tuesday to Wednesday to Thursday, something we'll be watching very closely here from News 5 and with your First Alert 5 weather team. Take a look at the futurecast by Monday night. Westerly winds strengthening across the mountains first. By Tuesday morning, some of those gusts, Monument to Woodland Park, could be between 40 to 60. I think a general ballpark range for the rest of us with those gusts around 30 to 50 plus miles per hour throughout the day on Tuesday, and more strong wind expected Wednesday to Thursday. Tonight, we'll see lows drop down to the 20s and 30s. Your highs tomorrow rebound to the low 60s for King and City in the Springs, mid 60s expected in Pueblo. Let's do a breakout of Tuesday here on the Super 7-day forecast. Likely on weather alert with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Dry in the plains, but for the higher elevations, could see some snow. Again, the wind expected through Thursday with a nicer weekend to follow. For Pueblo, we go from the mid 60s on Monday to the low 70s with that wind accelerating Tuesday. Very windy as well Wednesday to Thursday. Canyon City, a prolonged period of wind, potential high fire danger in your forecast around the middle of the week. For Woodland Park, starts out with some early morning snow showers and then turns windy, Andy, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday.